3, 2, 1.
What is leap second? The answer is A minute added to a non-leap year. Where are the gliding membranes of the Draco lizard species positioned? The answer is C, on their elongated ribs. What is the national dish of China? The answer is A, dumplings. Which object is used for cooking eggs? The answer is A, microwave. What is the wavelength of visible light approx? The answer is D, 10 m. Insects' antennae are useful for sensing what? The answer is C, chemicals. Characters Reverend Jim and Louie worked for the Sunshine Cab Company on which TV show? The answer is D, Taxi. What happens to old oceanic crust at convergent boundaries? The answer is C, destroyed. Which of the following statements best explains why stars appear to move across Earth's sky each night? The answer is A, Earth rotates on its axis. In which book series does Gilderoy Lockhart appear? The answer is C, Harry Potter. Which of these names the odd one? The answer is D, Ferdinand Marcos. A problem with using food chains to describe ecosystems is that some organisms can feed on or be consumed by species from more than one of what level? The answer is C, trophic level. Which book is the first in the Harry Potter series? The answer is A, The Chamber of Secrets. Which of these books did Uta Hagen not write? The answer is B, The Method of Acting. Which king of the Franks was also crowned Roman emperor? The answer is C, Charles I the Great Charlemagne. The painting The Sleepers by Gustave Courbet is a part of which art movement? The answer is B, realism. Which of these is not a unit of time in astronomy? The answer is D, microsecond. What is the state of matter for Mercury at room temperature? The answer is B, liquid. Which river flows through Beijing, China? The answer is B, Huanghe. Which of these cities is in Greece? The answer is B. Thessaloniki. What instrument should be used to monitor atmospheric pressure changes as a weather system approaches? The answer is D. Barometer. What is the simplest molecule that contains two atoms of a single element? The answer is B. Hydrogen molecule. Slater, a character on the TV show Saved by the Bell, shortens his first and middle name to the initials A. C. What do those initials stand for? The answer is B. Albert Clifford. What instrument do you play with a bow? The answer is C. Piano. Jerry Orbach starred with Anna Maria Alberghetti in which Tony Award-winning Broadway musical? The answer is A. Carnival. What is a deficit in economics defined as? The answer is B. A government spending more than its revenue. What is a long load table with one end often higher than the other called? The answer is B. Console table. Which computer pioneer coined the term bit and byte? The answer is D. Richard Stallman. Which tool has a handle and a sharp blade? The answer is A. Saw. Risotto is made with special kinds of rice and is traditionally served with fish products or cheese. What country does this dish come from? The answer is C. Italy. In which European country did the Dalmatian dog breed originate? The answer is D. Croatia. What slows down the transfer of heat? The answer is A. A wooden wall. Where do grass snakes live? The answer is B. A field. In what Midwestern U.S. state is it legal to protest naked in front of City Hall? The answer is A. Illinois. Who were the legendary founders of the city of Rome? The answer is C. Romulus and Remus. Which of the following resources can reproduce to replenish its stock? The answer is B. Wood. Most countries have situated their Israeli embassies in Tel Aviv. The embassies of which four countries are located in Jerusalem? The answer is B. Costa Rica, El Salvador, Bolivia, and Paraguay. After a rainfall, which process in the water cycle draws the water back up into the air? The answer is B. Evaporation. Which company released the first laptop computer, the IBM Portable PC? The answer is D. IBM. Which Greek mathematician is credited with discovering the Pythagorean theorem? The answer is D. Pythagoras. For what purpose does a plant light serve? The answer is A. Mimic sunlight. Jennifer Love Hewitt stars as the main character in the television fantasy drama Ghost Whisperer. What is her name in the show? The answer is B. Melinda Gordon. Which contain seeds? The answer is A. Mandarins. Who is the terrorist technology expert in Die Hard? The answer is B. Theo. What British film director, born in Shanghai, China, directed 3, including the first in the series of James Bond movies Dr. No 1962, From Russia with Love 1963, the answer is C. and Thunderball 1965. In what century was the first form of the lighter created? The answer is C. 16th century. Which of the following chemicals are found in eggplant seeds? The answer is B. Nicotine. What is the name of the crime team that chases the group throughout the movie The Goonies? The answer is D. The Fratellas. In the field of psychiatry, which term means self-love? The answer is D. Narcissism. You can travel around the world without leaving your chair. What are you doing?